carefully. What did you hear? This wiper makes a piercing sound when it is working. In this case, if you take your car to a repair shop, they'll let you replace the wiper blades. Even replace the wiper arm. At least $800 out of you. Today I will teach you a solution that doesn't cost a penny. There is a small black spot on the wiper blade. We press and hold it to remove the wiper blade. Then slowly place the wiper arm on the windshield. You'll find this side fits perfectly, but this side is tilted up. It's deformed. In fact, this situation is very simple to solve. All you need is a screwdriver. Come, look, we insert it into this small hole, then adjust it in the opposite direction. Okay. Now it is installed. Next, I try again. Check to see if the wiper noise has disappeared. Try again. Look, the noise has completely disappeared. The problem was completely solved. How about it? Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn about cars every day.